Hello and welcome to another tutorial session. I'm happy to have you here. Thank you for joining. So in today's video, I want to show you how to make Google Forms next page. The first thing you want to do is ensure that you're properly signed into Google by having your email signed in so you can have access to your Google Forms. All right, having done that, the next thing you want to do is click on an existing form you're already working in, or you start a new form and then create the questions and all of that. So I'll just click on this particular form I'm already working in. So I'll click on that and then I'll show you how to create Google Forms next page. So this form already have an existing question. So if I want to create a next page, I'll just head over to this toggle bar over here by the corner and then on this menu bar and then click on the option add section. So I have different options: add question, import question, add title, description, image, video, and then add section. When I click on this, another section would be created. So I can head over here to type in the question or title the particular session that I or what I want it to be called. Then after doing that, I can decide to add as many sessions as I want to. All right. So after adding that, I can decide to just quickly add as many sessions as I want and they would appear. I'll ensure that I personalize or customize this session to what I want them to appear as. And when I'm done, the next thing I'm going to do is just click on the preview icon, which is this over here, the eye icon, which is the second up here. When I click on that, it will take me to my preview page and then you can see the next button down here. So I'll just click on next and you can see the next page. When I click on next, you can see as many pages as possible. Now I have three pages, so when I click on this, you can see the pages as I have them. So this is how you can make your Google Forms next page. You can add as many sections as possible for you to have multiple pages. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you've been able to learn how to make Google Forms next page. Until the next time, bye for now.